In this video, I catch a bunch of huge fish using a Ring Doorbell camera. And I know it sounds crazy, but watch all the way through. We catch some absolute tanks and some trophy fish. It's a monster! Alright, for our rig, we got our normal rod set up here. And then we got a weight with a little bullet weight to stop it from going down. And then we are using some large minnows that we picked up from our local shop. All right, so the wind keeps knocking the camera over, so I decided to move it here. Here's the camera angle of what it looks like now. But yeah, so now I can still see the line goes down. All right, so while I was at school, this is the line that I left, and then after school, this is what I saw, so I immediately went to the dock. All right, while I was in school, I saw that the line had moved, so I came here. Yeah, the line definitely moved some. You can see that. All right, let's see if we got a fish on. All right, here we go. We got a bass. I was rushing to go somewhere, so I didn't really talk, but little did I know this was going to be the first of many. And literally later that night at 2 a.m. I see this. Alright, we are on our way to the dock because, well, I saw, as you just saw that video, that was at 2 or 3 a.m. So let's hope he's still on. I couldn't really see from the video if he is still on, but let's hope. Alright, we're here. Oh man. If that video is right, I think we have a big fish on. Alright, from the looks of things, the line is going like away. Yeah. I feel something on. I think it's just like tangled around the motor maybe. Yeah. We got a catfish, but it's tangled around the motor. Yeah! Whoa. Oh yeah. Nice. Look at that thing. Look at this big old channel. Or blue. I think it's a channel. There he is. Big old catfish. Just put him back. Alright, so we just caught a channel catfish, and it was pretty good. It was probably like a 5 pound, but our goal for this video is to catch a 10-pound catfish. I know I made some shorts about a 20-pound catfish, and if we do that, that's like the...
In half a mile, turn right onto Ball.
If we do catch a 20-pound catfish, that's like, I mean, that's just insane. But our goal is to catch a 10-pound, and I think that was about, let's go 5, maybe 6. That's what I'm thinking. But it was pretty fat, so maybe 7. I don't really know, but it was not 10 pounds, I know that. But I gotta head to school, and I'll put on a new bait, and let's see if the Ring camera can help us catch another fish. While I was at school, the rod tip started bending down a little, and I knew we had a fish on, but all I had to do was wait until school ended so I could get in my truck and quickly go to the dock. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a fish on. We got a bass. It's a really good bass. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, dang. Oh shoot. Wait, the hook came out. Dang it. After catching and losing the 3-pound bass, I instantly put on a new bait and immediately hooked onto this. And oh my gosh, we're on instantly. Like I literally put this in just a couple seconds ago. Oh my gosh, bro. Like look at the line. All right. Oh my gosh, like instantly. I'm telling you, bro. Oh yeah. He's on. He's on. Alright, it's another bass. This time we're gonna boat flip him. Boom! It was instantly. That was instantly. Alright, I'm not letting you go this time. I literally put him in for just a couple seconds. Chill. Stop. Ugh. Alright, so we have had some good fish so far. All bass and one catfish. But I feel like we are about to smoke them. Alright, so I am going to a party, and after that I'm going over to the dock to see what I can catch and see if there's anything on the line. Boom, let's go. So I just got back from the party and I went to go to the dock with one of my friends at the party, and I saw a shadow. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Watch this. I just saw a massive fish. Hold on. I don't know if it's still here. There's literally just swimming. Oh snap. Hold on. There it is. Oh, that's a striper. That's a striper. Oh.
Just jump in and catch it.
No, that's a striper.
Just jump in.
Do you see it?
Yeah,
There's a bunch of stripers. For those who don't know, I love catching striper, and my biggest is probably like, I don't know, like 7 pounds. It was not that big, and so that's why having this experience. And I did not have a fishing pole, so I had to run up, get a fishing pole, come down, and hope and pray that they were still there. Oh my gosh. Absolutely massive stripers. Just chilling right here. Wait, we might have one on the line. Wait, but the line, oh yeah, line's still pointing out the same direction. But hold on. I'm gonna see if I can catch this.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Oh my gosh, I got him. I got him. Go get the net. Go get the net. It's in the pontoon boat. Oh my gosh, it's in the pontoon boat. Oh my gosh, I'm on. Yeah, that one. It's a net. Oh my gosh, we're onto a striper. Yeah. Come on. We are onto a striper right now. Oh my gosh. Here. Can you record? Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's just peeling line off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'd rather not drop it in though, so I'm trying to
Nice.
that
It's fine, just hold on. You won't drop it in. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
Alright,
this is testing your...
Yeah.
I mean, we can't see it at all.
Come on up. Oh my gosh, just come here. Please do not snap off. Do not snap off.
Dude, that fishing rod is bending!
Yeah.
What?
Alright, hold on. Alright, give me the net. Alright, give me the net.
Oh my gosh.
Is it off? Is it off?
No. Here, there we go. No!
Go? Yeah. Go. Tail? Under. It doesn't matter. Just scoop it up. Oh, that's fine. Here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got it. Oh. Alright, bring it. Are you good? Are you good? Yeah. Do you have it?
I have my keys in the box.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh,
my-
dude!
Gosh. Oh my god. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Can you see this?
Oh.
Can you see this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's freaking go.
You're keeping that.
Is that?
Caleb, is this the biggest fish you ever caught?
It's the biggest striper.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I recorded your family's reaction too.
Tank. Wait.
Here, let me take a good picture with you, like with it, like just like holding it up. All right, portrait.
Oh, what came? Okay, there you go. Water, Daniel. Oh.
All right, we're gonna weigh this tank.
Wow, he's huge.
He is
Jeez.
huge.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's biting me.
Let me know if you need help handling him.
All right.
Like just hold him or whatever.
He is 10.1. Get a look at that. You see that? Say it said 10. What does it say?
It's 10.4.
10.4 pound striper. All right, we're gonna release him over here. Yeah, just like come right above me. Tank. Biggest striper.
Good job, Caleb.
Thanks.
Thank you, Kato, for getting all of this stuff and helping us.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
There he goes.
I got it in the net.
He's swimming off.
Oh, there we go.
There he goes. Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so right after catching the striper, I go into my truck, I put my truck in drive, and I start driving up the driveway. And then I get a notification on my phone that there's motion at the dock. And I'm like, okay, well, let's just look at it. And bro, I can't make this up. Just watch. By the way, my phone's at 1% here, so I can't record any from my phone, just the Ring camera. Oh my gosh. I was literally just about to pull out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see? We got something on.
You got another one?
We got something else
Another
on.
big one?
Oh my gosh. This one's bigger. This one's bigger. Here, can you see?
Yeah, that's better.
I still haven't seen it. Wait, this is a flathead. Oh my god, this is a huge flathead. Dad,
Yeah.
this is a monster catfish.
Really?
My phone died.
It did?
Yeah. Oh, I need the net.
Uh,
Oh my
just lift-
gosh.
Put it in the rod holder if you need to.
Alright.
On the minnows?
No, on the herring. They're dead. I put a dead herring on.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's massive. It's huge. Ugh. Oh. Oh no. Ugh. I don't know if I can get it in the net.
You can do it.
No. Stay here. No, this is not going in the net, Dad.
Put the rod in the rod holder. And reel it while it's in the rod holder.
Ugh. Oh, it's so heavy. It's, oh no. Oh no. No, come here. No. Dang. Oh, it's in the net. You ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Oh, are we serious? Hold on. I'll run up real quick and get my scale. That way we can know how big it is. Oh. You still there, Dad?
I'm here.
Alright. You can stay
The
on
tackle
so
box is gonna be in the way, though.
What?
The tackle box is gonna be in the way.
Oh. This thing bent the heck out of this hook. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a monster. It's a monster.
Nice. Hold on. Let's see how heavy is it?
Let's see. It's 21. It's 21 pounds. It's 20 pounds. Oh.
See if you can hold it up so I can get a picture.
Oh
See if
my
you can hold it
god.
up so I can get a picture.
Oh.
Yeah, stay on your knees, but hold it up.
You getting this? Is this good?
Hold on. Wait.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, got it.
Oh.
Look at
Oh
that
my
thing.
god. Hold on. I'm going to try to open its mouth just so you can see how big its mouth is.
Look at those big old lips.
You see that?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh. We finally got this 20-pound monster flathead. My hands are disgusting right now. Ugh. 21-pound flathead catfish. Oh, it's massive. Two PBs in one night. Oh, this thing's so heavy. Ugh. Monster flathead right here. All right, let's get him back into the water. Unbelievable how big this fish is. Oh my goodness. Saw some swim away. Oh, it's a good swim off. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Well done.
Oh. Did you get some nice pictures?
Yeah.
Did you hear me? 2 personal bests in one night.
Amazing.
Oh. 2 trophy fish in one night. All right. Yeah, right here. Alright, I'm not seeing any stripers like I thought I would be. I'm not feeling anything on there. Oh, I am. There's something. There's something on. What? What is happening? Okay, I thought the line snapped, but we're good. Now we're just reeling in the fish. It seems like a catfish. It's not fighting hard. I think we got a catfish on. Whoa. There we go. We got some fighting. There he is. What is that? That's a channel or a blue. Oh my gosh. Wait, look over there. Look over there. Dude, both rods are going crazy right now. Let's get this one situated first. All right. I mean, he's not that big, but I mean, fish is a fish. I think this is either blue or channel. All right, he's out. Hook's out. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, 3-pound channel. Yeah, channel. All right, let's put him back in and catch this guy. See, yep, good swim off. Wait. Ugh. There we go. Try another catfish. We're about to see him. Oh, his head is really big. He's still going crazy. Oh my gosh. No net needed. This one's bigger for sure. This one's probably like, let's say 5. Yeah, I'm gonna say 5-pound channel. I love catching flatheads much more than channels. All right, let's put him back. There he goes, and I expected a good swim off. He was still going crazy. All right, 2 fish. I didn't catch the species that I was trying to catch. 2 fish, 2 channels. Not bad at all. All right, we're gonna end it there, but I'm still gonna have the Ring camera up, and I'm still gonna be posting videos of my catches. But we had a phenomenal couple days doing this. I think we caught 2 bass, a huge catfish, and I think a couple channels. We caught 3 channels, 1 flathead, 2 bass. That's not bad at all. And we also caught a striper, but it wasn't on the Ring camera. I mean, the Ring camera didn't help me, but yeah, I still count it. So it was a great couple days. 2 bass, 1 striper, 3 channels, and 1 flathead. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you do like it, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have a Ring camera, I definitely recommend it, because some of these fish I would not be able to land if it wasn't for the Ring camera, like that like the 21-pound flathead. Crazy. Subscribe. Try to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. We're so close. We're 5 away. Yeah, thank you guys. See you guys in the next video, which is coming out soon. Florida versus Georgia bass fishing. Subscribe so you do not miss that.